Hey guys, and a big warm welcome to Gemmalicious TV. I hope you're all doing well and feeling absolutely fabulous today as always. Today guys, your girl Gemmalicious is back again with another hotel tour. And today guys, we are in Barcelona and we are checking out the NH Collection Hotel in Barcelona, guys. If you're planning on booking the NH hotel or you just would like to be nosy and see what the hotel has to offer, then now is your chance, guys. Let's go and check out the NH Collection Hotel and see what it has to offer. Let's go. On arrival, guys, you have welcome drinks for you. So guys, this is the lobby area when you first walk into the hotel. We have the check-in desk behind me, and we have a few seats on this side as well, like a lounging area where you can chill out. So guys, as you come out of the lift, this is the lift area. We have the corridors which lead us to the room. Now let's take a walk and head to the room, baby. They have all glass mirrors that you can see yourself through as you are walking through. Card, taps here, and we are in. Boom! Room tour! So guys, this is what you see as soon as you enter the room. Ooh, lovely. 2 big beds as well for just me. Nice one. And then we have over here at the bedside table, you've got your bedside lamp, we've got a telephone, we've got your notepad and the remote control for the TV, and it is based on a lovely little stand here. I like that. On the other side of the bed, guys, pretty much the same. And over here by the window, we have the chair with a table. And this is the outside, but it's not that great views, to be honest with you, but I do like the blinds. Got your TV opposite the bed, love that. Desk with a chair. We've got some menus for the hotel, more lamps, charging sockets. Tea making facilities are over here as well, guys. You've got your kettle and your usual stuff, coffee machine and your few coffee capsules and milk to make your coffee. You can sit here, relax here, which is very nice. And look at this bit, guys. Yeah, it's like a little glass and you can see what's in your mini bar from the side. And then when you open the cupboard door here, this is what you've got inside. And then you've got your safe. Some wine glasses, a Cavossier. This is their mini bar, some snacks, good. Bottle opener. Oh, sweeties. I like this. Oh, chocolates and raisins and stuff. And then in the fridge, you got your beers, your Coke, some chocolates. Oh, that's so cute. Love it. In this bit of the wardrobe, we've got the iron board, which is always good. Nice space. And in the third wardrobe, so you have 3. This one is sort of got your box compartments to put your stuff in. They got a shoe cleaner in here as well. And a bag to do your laundry request. Selfie mirror for all the selfie gang. You got your selfie mirror here. And then behind me, guys, is the bathroom. The bathroom is in the corner here of the room. Looks nice the way they've boxed it off, and it's got like a see-through glass running along the top, which is amazing. Your switches, your aircon, your heating, and boom, the bathroom. This is the bathroom, guys. So cute. I'm absolutely loving this big mirror, and I love that picture they have here as well. You got your glass, you got your lovely sink. They've got shower gel, shampoo, body milk, a soft mask for your hair, your shower cap, your hand and facial soap bar, and on here they have a moisturizer cream as well, which is also good to have. They have a stool here, heating rail with your towels on it, tissues. You've got your blow dryer, and you've got your mirror as well to help you out. And they also have a socket in the bathroom if you need to plug in your straighteners or anything. They got a mirror on the back of the bathroom door, which is amazing. I love that. I haven't seen that in a hotel before, to be honest with you. Nice touch. Nice touch. Sectioned off here is the toilet. Nice. So the toilet is in this separate bit here where you have your toilet, and it's even got a telephone in the toilet. Look at that, guys. This is where the shower is. Gorge. Another nice big shower head that we like. And then next to it, we have the bath as well. And the bath also has a shower on it. I really love this bathroom, guys. It is absolutely, amazing. No, it's cute. I love it. Wow. Bathroom goals. And then back out into the bedroom. And that is the room tour, guys. It's actually a really nice room, I have to say. I'm very impressed. I think the room is very, very nice. It's clean, very presentable. But right now, guys, I'm going to get me some dinner and see what's on the dinner menu. So I'll let you guys know what you can get for dinner here as well. But I'm just going to change up and get myself relaxed and ready to go again. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. So this is the restaurant area, guys, where they've got quite a few restaurants, not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four, no, but seriously. So I'm just going to give you guys a tour now of the restaurants they have here, inside and outside, so you guys can see what options you have when dining out here. When you come in, you've got your table and then your own wine selections over here. How sick. All your different wines you can choose from. Lovely. And it's got its own window view, and it's sectioned off from the rest of the restaurant. Cute. And this is the outdoor area now with swiveling doors that we're about to go through and check out what the outside area looks like. And then behind me, guys, they have more restaurants and more seating, which we're going to take a walk through and have a look at now. Come on, guys. I know you wanna. Imagine that, guys, all this strip of restaurants just like lined up along here. So cute as well for you guys to just choose where are you eating tonight. So cute. It's so set up lovely as well. It's absolutely like amazing. I've said that so many times, but it's because, guys, it really is good. So that's the end of the restaurants, and now we are about to check out some more of the hotel, guys. Okay, guys, so right now we're on their 5th floor where they have the spa area, and I'm about to take you guys to go and check out the spa so you can see what it looks like. It smells so good on this floor. You know, you can just smell spa. That's because it's right behind me. Spa. Okay, guys, so this is the spa area. Cute. You got a few sunbeds here, little pool here, and then they've got the main pool in here that you can go down in and enjoy. It's got a nice little fountain in it as well. Oh, so cute. And a nice little shower thing here. And there as well. Oh, lovely spa. And the views, guys, from the spa are amazing. Spa area. And then here, guys, we've got a nice relaxing sitting down area, and where you can get some massages here as well. The steam room they've got. Oh, and they've got a nice ice for you to get some ice and rejuvenate yourself. Yeah, baby. Right now, guys, we're gonna get really nosy and check out some of the treatment rooms as well so you can see what you've got on offer. Yeah. This is the treatment room. They have a shower. Then you've got your treatment bed. You've got all the stuff. How lovely. Nice little sink and stuff. Yeah, where you can get your nails done. And it overlooks the spa down there as well. Morning. It's the morning now, and we are about to check out the breakfast. So right now I am at the breakfast area where breakfast is served, and let's go in, guys, and see what they got to offer. It's already looking really good, so let's see. These are all the teas you can get, and the coffee making machine. Guys, you can get real fresh juices here as well. Check them out. Any juice you want, freshly made. Pineapple, spinach, ginger, mango, loads. And guys, you can make your own omelettes. You just select what you want here. You pull it into the bowls, you give it to the waiter, and they will make it to your tasting exactly how you like it. Eggs to your taste. Nice view from breakfast as well. You get a nice view from the windows, and the table, guys, is laid so nice. Check it out. These are the tables. The omelette they made me, guys. Gorgeous. And my glass of champagne. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Bon appetit. So guys, as you saw from the breakfast, they actually offer everything. The food was good, it was fresh, it was warm, it was nice, the juices were good, the champagne. Hey, definitely a good breakfast here, guys. Oh, and you can get your papers here as well to go in. So guys, that is it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the NH collection in Barcelona. Absolutely lovely hotel, guys. I definitely liked the room. The bathroom was my highlight, I would have to say, of the room. The breakfast was really good. The restaurants upstairs. Yeah, definitely a good hotel, guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour. And if you haven't done so already, guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Gemmalicious family. And yeah, guys, that is it. Gemmalicious signing out from the NH collection Barcelona, guys, and I'll catch you lot in my next video. Ciao. Mwah.